welcome back. Welcome back. First of all, I gotta welcome myself back because it's been a minute since I even filmed and I got to play with all my makeup, and I don't know, like the beginning of 2019 I was feeling like real like, all right, I can ride this wave, and then I don't know, these past couple weeks have been super hard. I don't want to like go all into detail without having a point first. I gotta remember that, you know, I gotta have faith in myself. Makeup is a passion of mine, and I don't know where the road will take me. All I know is that my creativity is basically boxed up right now. So here I am it is Friday, February 15th, 2019. Yesterday was Valentine's Day. Yeah, so I'll leave a timestamp so you can go directly to the makeup if you don't want to know all the deep personal shit. Let me sit up straight. I'm like just lounging in this chair. Y'all can't even see my hair. It's a wig, and I didn't glue it down or nothing. That's why I got this scarf on. My room looks super kiddish, but I fucks with the colors though. What if there's no timestamp in the video and I'm just rambling the whole time? I go through and try to edit and I'm like, damn, I just don't shut up. Would y'all be interested in like riding around with me doing errands? I know it sounds ridiculous, but Nicole Guerrero they're like 30-minute clips, 30-minute looks, and these are movies for me because I just be chilling and watching them. But she be like, you know, running errands, going to the mall, meeting her subscribers, buying shit, sometimes not buying shit, and we end up just going back to the crib, eating, whatever. I'm like that all the time. It's just, I wanna bring you guys with me, you know? I don't know, I feel like if I'm gonna commit to YouTube, I gotta make it personal, or they're gonna remember me by a fake ass channel. Like, no. All right, so hopping into skin. This light makes everything overexposed, but my skin is in a terrible state right now. It might not look terrible, but I've been picking at it. You guys can follow me on this journey because the world is this. I thought I had one of those skin tags on my face. I was just like, see, that's what happens when the camera's in front of you. You're always aware. So yeah, that's my skin. It's been pretty dry. My lips have been peeling like crazy. Where my lip? Okay. Yeah, my lips have been peeling like crazy, so I just put some Carmex on. But honestly, Carmex is not where it's at. Y'all know when y'all got y'all like favorite products. So I'm gonna search and show you mine. At least it made my lips soft though for the next application. Let me start that shit over. That was like whack. I'm like trying to press the products in your face. Like, is that what we seem like? We like push products in your face? I don't want to be that person, but these lip glosses are by the brand Buxom. You don't notice right away, but it fills in those little lines in your lips, so it makes them look super full and nice and luscious. I just love the way it feels, period. The tingling sensation does go away after a while. I don't know how much longer after, because it really doesn't bother me. My lip gloss be super popping. So yeah, that's for lips. For my face, because I have to moisturize if I'm gonna do any makeup. I can't just not moisturize. All right, so I've been into facial mists. I'm just gonna do my whole rundown of my routine. I'm letting y'all into everything and I ain't holding shit back. I just want to let y'all know like what's real, what I found that was real and what's not. So yeah, if you're into facial mists, I really like how these make my skin feel with or without makeup. Sometimes I'll just include it in my skincare routine because yes, I do have a skincare routine. It's struggling, but I do have one. And this is by Natural Wonders. This is their C Caffeine Face Mist with energizing vitamin C and renewing antioxidants. It's cute. I got this at Berlington. They had this little side section with like makeup products, and it was like off to the side. And listen, if there's makeup in any store, that's where you can find me at it. And that's true. So I definitely wandered over to their whole cosmetic because they didn't just have makeup. They had brushes, like all the utensils for your eyebrows and lashes. They had everything in there. All right, so I'm just gonna mist this onto my face. A little far back, going up and down, trying to make sure I cover my whole face, including my neck. Can't leave my neck dry. I'll leave everything linked down below that I use. If I can find it, I'll link the websites, whatever is necessary. I don't know about y'all, but I like finding stuff where it's supposed to be at, so it is tedious. I'm telling you, it takes a minute to copy and paste those links. If there's an easier way, there needs to be. I just applied some of the Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. This says, I believe, for very dry to dry combination skin. And I feel like I have combination skin. It's not so much dry. It still has a little bit of moisture if it can be retained. This lotion is really good. It's like thick, but you gotta give it time to like dry down. And it really moisturizes, especially now it's cold outside. The wind hurts my face if my face is not moisturized. Like, it needs to be protected. For the brows, since I'm gonna go kinda intense, not a lot. This is like, I don't know what it is. It's the Pomade, the Dipbrow by Anastasia. And this is the one in dark brown. This is a newer one. I made a few little dabs. So I've been wearing a little bit of makeup, but I ain't really been doing like, all right, so for eyebrows, you guys do yours your way and I do mine my way. All right, let's go, let's split, peace. It's like, but y'all know how personal eyebrows is to people. I use a regular ass angle brush. I just dip a little bit in there, get some on the back of that brush, get some of that off, because you know, this stuff is thick. Some of y'all like it thick, some of y'all don't like it thick. That may or may not have been what she said. Just brushing these bad boys through. And you know, I got them done. I got them threaded a couple of weeks ago. And that lady messed my eyebrows all the way up. I tried to groom them afterwards and it was just a mess. Like, y'all had to see, like, it was pieces missing from like up here. I'm like, what the hell? And then she didn't even want to let me hold the mirror. I'm like, ma'am, trying to like get this mirror. Listen. She was distracted and I forgive her because my eyebrows grew back, but you can't be doing that to people. You're doing a whole service. All right, now it's time to clean them up with some concealer. Which concealer have I been loving? I've been loving you. You don't even know. All right, so for concealer, I bought a couple, but I don't know if you guys want to see. So this one is the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 42 Hood. All right, that's how light that is, and I'm going to use that to conceal underneath my eyebrows to make them even more sharper than they look. That's it. I'm just covering up these dark spots because they're driving me insane. And I'm using this same Colourpop No Filter Concealer. I'm gonna kind of blend this out. I don't want it to be too like nutty on camera. Just using my finger. I don't do this all the time, but it helps when you do have dark spots. So, you know, like, layer that stuff, but don't cake it on the first time. Just try to worry about getting your problematic areas. Listen, I feel like my face looks a little better. All right, now for eyes, I don't know what I want to do. I usually do eyes first, and you guys know that I'm obsessed with eyeshadows, so let me show you my two newest babies. This is the Zulu by Juvia's Place. Isn't it pretty? And this is, ooh, it bends back now. Oh, she been warned. This is James Charles' palette that he just collaborated with Morphe with. This is their baby, his baby. Anyway, yeah, so these are the two palettes that I'm gonna dip into. I'm excited to dig in these eyeshadows because I don't know what I'm about to come up with. So yeah, just stay tuned. So I've been using the NYX Eyeshadow Base sometimes all over my lid, but this has to be set with something, and I really don't like that because it takes forever to dry down. Like, you almost kind of have to put a powder or something over top of it. I like this base because it's lighter than my complexion, so it kind of amplifies the shadows a little bit. I don't want to set it with powder. I kind of just want to go in with shadows. really appreciate up to this point. My favorite foundation right now is also by Colourpop. This is their No Filter. Yep, No Filter foundation in the shade Dark 175. Then I think I'll put this on the spots more where I could see them. Like on my little dark spots I couldn't hide. I'm going back in and attacking them. For powders underneath my eyes, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Lately I've been into bronzer. One specifically, this is one by Morphe in the shade Brontour. Oh my god, it's perfect. It's so perfect. Ooh. Listen, just a little bit of life, that's all I'm saying. I'm gonna use this old AF e.l.f. palette. Take this one. I'm gonna try patting this into place because I've been buffing and I don't want to buff too much. For some reason, it's really hard for me to put on these lashes right now. My lashes aren't letting me work them the way that I want them to be worked. So I think that I'm just gonna stick with mascara. I think it looks better up close with lower mascara. I don't know if I mentioned this. This is the Thrive Cosmetics Liquid Lash Mascara. I just love the way lower mascara makes everything look like super cute, super pretty. All right, now that I just put on a crap ton of mascara, because I'm not putting on lashes, I'm not going through that hassle, not today. But I feel like the mascara pretty much does it justice. I think they're good. Just putting on some liner. That was a Marc Jacobs, was it Marc Jacobs Super Fancy? Yep, a Marc Jacobs eyeliner. This lip gloss is bomb. But I feel like I need like a liner or something. Ooh, this is purple. I think I want to use it anyway. I feel like I just went overboard. I'm gonna try to clear that with the gloss because I don't want it to be too like pinky, but that's what happens when I like zone off. Anyway, I achieved the look. This is as far as I'm gonna go with this. I'm gonna put some earrings on, probably a little bit more gloss. I'm gonna skip highlight because my skin's already in like this little state where I'm not trying to illuminate anything right now. I just wanted to put makeup on, get in my element, play around a little bit to see, you know, where my skill is, where I can start at, you know, what I can dabble in. But if you guys stuck around, thank you. That's all I can say is thank you. You obviously stuck around for a reason. I'm gonna try to be more consistent. That's my goal. Now that I just talked your ear off for what seems like ever, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you took from this whatever positive place, I don't know, your mind goes to. I'm looking at this mess right now and it's making me anxious. Let me show, do I want to show you this mess? Look how oh, I can't show the areas over there, but look how messy